close to ulama and obey Hukama. As the words of the Prophet as follows, "Let you gather with the clergy and obey the capan Hukama, because Allah will give life to a dead soul with the light of wisdom, just as He makes trees grow on arid land with rainwater." Wisdom is a science that is useful, while Hukama is the expert on wisdom. Based on this hadith, Hukama is a wisdom expert who knows Allah's essence, always in truth, both in words and deeds. The scholars are pious people who practice their knowledge. Ath Thabrani has also narrated it from Abu Hanifah as follows: "You should get together, associate with the leaders, and ask the scholars and be close to the Hukamas." In another history it is also stated, "Gather with the clergy, be friendly with Hukama and be close to Kabera." Scholars are grouped into three groups, namely, a. Scholars, namely people who are pious, extensive knowledge about the laws of Allah and they are entitled to provide guidance, advice. b. Hukama are people who only know the essence of Allah. Being close to them can make the character become educated, because from their hearts shines the light of knowledge, knowing Allah's essence more closely and other secrets, and from their souls reflects the light of divine majesty. c. Kabera, namely people who are awarded understanding of the laws of Allah and of the essence of Allah. Gathering with pious people, experts of Allah, can educate behavior for the better. This is none other than the influence of their habits, which are certainly better than verbal. So, someone's habits that can be useful for you, of course, will also be useful for you. Vice versa. As Sarawardi once visited some of the Al-Kaif Mosque in Mina while looking at the faces of the people inside. Then he was asked by someone, "Why do you look at the faces of those people?" So he replied, "Indeed Allah has made some people who, when they look at other people, the person they see will feel peaceful, happy, and I am looking for someone like that." As the words of the Prophet Muhammad as follows, "There will come a time for my people, when they leave the scholars and jurists,